seeing 11, 12. Oh, damn. Why is my freaking terminal all the way at the end? Look. Welcome back, Miss Amores. This is your girl Janice, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and turn your post notifications on for future videos. Today, you will be helping me. Well, not really helping me because I'm pretty much done, but I will be showing you guys some of the stuff I packed for my trip on Monday night, which is Tuesday. And I thought you guys would want to know some of quick things that I packed, semi-packed, and on the journey to this trip. Alright, so first of all, I gotta put my shoes laces, because these are one of the shoes I'm gonna take. And I do have a blue pair of Adidas, so I switch off the laces. And don't mind my hair in this clip. Look, my hair does not want to stay slick, no matter how much gel I put, so we're not fighting that, and it's hot. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys my suitcase. It's right here. I know it looks dirty right now, so don't mind it. But yep, here we go. I don't know, I'm that type of person that overpacks. I don't know if you're one of those, but over here I have my bags. Okay, some of the quick things I packed is my dress. It's gonna be hot, you know, some crop tops, you know, for the nighttime. Some shorts. These are for sleeping, so don't worry, I won't go out looking like that. You know, some perfume, because you gotta smell good. I gotta check if you can really bring a perfume. I think you're in your suitcase, I don't know. What are these? Some sweatpants for the night. Some pants. These are really cute pants. I just got some more summer stuff. These are sleeping too. The ones that are really to go out is gonna be over here on this side. As you can see, I got all these crop tops that I never wear, so hopefully we get in some photo shoots. So that's pretty much for today. On Tuesday I'll be showing you the journey of waking up early to go to the airport and arriving there. Seeing 11, 12. Oh, damn. Why is my freaking terminal all the way at the end? Look.
Así dejando a los pasajeros que están esperando atrás de usted, que también localicen los asientos de ellos y podamos continuar con el proceso.